Welcome to my presentation, second BTech. Topic: Define self-explanation, the process of value education. Subject name: Universal Human Values. Subject code: 23UHV01. Introduction to self-explanation. Self-explanation refers to the act individual comparing their own well-being being in of goals, often do internal pressures in the context of value education. Self-exploration can mean as overcommitment to learning and personal development. Understanding this concept circular for first balanced approach to education and personal growth. The concept of value education aims to instill principles such as integrate respect and responsibility in individuals. It focus on developing ethical and moral values alongside academic knowledge. Recognizing the importance of personal well-being is essential in the value education framework. The relationship between self-exploration and value education. Self-exploration can hinder the effectiveness of value education by creating burnout and disappointment. When individuals push themselves too hard, they may lose sight of the very values they are trying to cultivate. Understanding this relationship helps educator create more supportive learning environment. Symptoms of self-exploration. Common symptoms include stress and feelings of individual may struggle to balance their educational with personal life, leading to identifying these symptoms early can help address the issue before escalates. Causes of self-explanation in education. Internal pressures such as a performance and fear and failure often drive self-explanation. External pressure including social expectation and competition and this behavior. Understanding this cause is for creating struggles to self-exploration. The impact of self-exploration on learning. Self-exploration negatively affect cognitive function, leading to decreased academic performance. A lack of balance can result in learning and decline in motivation. It also academic the core objective of value education with well-being and personal growth. Strategies to prevent self-exploration. Educator educated the students should provide self-care and mindful practice, maintain balance eating, realistic goals and expectation can help reduce the pressures to perform. Encouraging open discussions about mental health can foster supportive learning environment. Role of educator and meeting of self-explanation. Educators have responsibility to recognize signs of exploration in student and intervenes. They can create a culture that values well-being alongside academic achievement, providing resources and support to mental health can empower students to negative challenges. Case, case students, case studies and examples. Several educational institutions have implemented wellness programs to combine self-exploration successfully, include workshops on time management and stress relief techniques. Learn, Learning from these case studies can inform future practice in value education. Conclusion: recognizing and addressing self-exploration is essential of effective value education. A balanced approach to that well-being can lead more meaningful learning expensive by fast, fostering an environment that supports both academic and personal growth. We can cultivate resilient individuals. Reference: Brain Meet the Importance of Well-Being Value Education, Journal of Educational Psychology, Explanation, Learning Context, Educational Research Review, Balancing Values Strategies for Preventing Self-Exploration in Educational Psychology International. Thank you.